How to add glow effect in Figma. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to add a glow effect in Figma, perfect for buttons, text or icons. Let's get started. First, make sure you have downloaded Figma on your device. After that, click on search bar and open Figma. Now open a new file or open existing one. Then create an object that you want to apply the glue to. This could be a button, some text or even an icon. Here I am using the text. Simply type T on your keyboard and type in the text. Now select your element and go to the right hand sidebar. Scroll to FX section and click on this plus icon. Now choose drop shadow option here. But don't worry, we'll turn it into a glowing effect by tweaking the settings. Change the shadow color to a bright or neon tone. Increase the blur value to soften the edge and adjust the opacity for glowing feel. Now, if you want more depth, then take the plus again to stack another glue with different colors or settings. This creates a layered glowing effect. And that's it. This is how you add a glow effect on Figma. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.